Campbell video. Let's go. Woohoo! It is snowing like a, you know what? This is insane. I'm gonna turn the sound down so we can get this way. So where's that pointing at? It's way up in here. This is like a lot of snow. This is like another blizzard. It's like blizzard, yo. I'm gonna turn these on a little higher. Wow, look at all the snow already. This is crazy. Luckily I got foil. Wow. What do you think? 3-4 inches already?
Yep. Sorry, we should put it outside the Jeep.
Thank God it's Jeep time. Snow coming down. Well, this is storm like number 5 or 6 up here. It's unbelievable. 2015 has been
looks like they started
very
to plow.
interesting. Yeah, they're plowing nothing right now. They're just pushing it around. All right, we're getting up to Turnpike.
Turnpike?
Yes.
Bristol Ferry.
Bristol Ferry, same words. We used to go Turnpike back in the day. Roads are pretty much untreated. I wouldn't treat them either. Look at this stuff, it's like crazy. I'm gonna turn off my spots here so people don't get freaked out. This is pretty good snow. Another nor'easter. Visibility, look at it. You got like no visibility.
It's outside the car.
Yep. Now we're moving at a good pace. Okay. Nice burp, Emma. For the GoPro tape. Yeah, they're out here trying to do what they can do. Not much to do. We got somebody coming at me. I'll turn down the spots. Incredible, actually. Turn those off too. Give those guys a break. Amazing when I have the spots off. It's clear that I need more lighting. There's a guy without his plow down. Boom! Look at that. That's nor'easter. Right at you. Hey, it's Christmas. Somebody's having a Christmas party. Wow, look at the middle of the road, Chris. It's got a couple inches of snow up there. Turn the big lights down. What do you think, girls? This is like, you can't even see, right? Say what? Welcome to Beast. Thank God Beast has got this under control.
Beast.
Don't worry about it. Not a lot of traffic out here. Just plows. The hill's gonna be fun. Be careful with it. You don't find out. What are we doing out here? Pretty sure it's us and nobody else. What happened? A little slippage.
Oh God.
We're
Crazy.
Relax. Let's let him come up first, though. Wow, we got some snow coming down, huh? Yeah, it's a pretty steep hill. No worries. was going to come in.
I wonder if it's been upgraded again.
He's been upgraded.
Is that somebody plowing or?
No, he's sitting. Yep, he knows. Look at this. Oh my God. Yes.
When do you want to put it out? The camera outside.
Why you want it out now? Well, let me get to
Yeah, find a place to pull over and I'll put it
yeah.
outside.